Hey guys, just wanted to do a little update on the toolbox and show you what we got here. So, first drawer is pretty much about the same. Got all my half-inch stuff back here, my 3/4 long, my 3/4 deeps, all my metric 3/8, my impact 3/8, my half-inch ratchet. All pretty self-explanatory. I don't need to go into detail there. Little new addition here, the Master Torque set I picked up. It's a Nico. Don't know much about it, but so far it's been pretty good. Only had it about a week. So yeah, that's that. And then here is my ratcheting wrenches in standard and metric. Standard over here, metric over here. My Torx screwdrivers, my Phillips screwdrivers, my straight screwdrivers or slotted, whatever you want to call them. My plier drawer hasn't changed at all. It's still the same. My trim removal tool drawer hasn't changed, so that's still the same. Hasn't changed. This is kind of one of my junk drawers, I guess you could say. Got my dust mask and paint respirator, some drill bits, and another Torx set. My old Torx set's still in here. So I went from that to that. So that's a good change. My welding jacket, my multimeter, and then down here is my heat gun, sanding blocks, soldering iron, stuff like that. My real junk drawer. My file and sanding drawer. All my pneumatic stuff. And my little bit of electric tools. Plus this that goes down there, but battery's charging right now, so waiting for that to charge. And that's the top of the box. Got a couple new stickers. I don't know if you can read that one. Pinehurst Police. So, just a quick video.